Guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, do so as we jump straight in. Today we want to look at what? The rules of differentiation. The subscription button is there. Click on it and let's jump straight in. We are looking at the rules of differentiation, so we'll tackle them one by one. The rest will be in the other videos. So as and when we are done with the first set, I'll let you know. Okay, so let's jump straight in. So the first one we want to look at is this. So we want to look at, I'm naming them. So if I have a function where y is equal to c, where c is what? Is a constant. How do I differentiate a constant? So I'll get that dy dx is just equal to what? 0. Why? Because y can be what? C to the power x to the power 0, because anything to the power 0 is what? 1. Therefore, if I differentiate this, I'll get dy dx to be equal to 0 multiplied by 0 times c x to the power 0 minus 1, and that will give me 0 times c x to the power -1, where everything will be what? 0. So anytime I differentiate a constant, I'll get 0. For example, if I have y to be equal to 3, then dy dx is equal to what? 0. Are we okay? So that is for the first part. Alright, so I will take it off. Okay, let me just do the second one from here, this side. Okay, let me take it off. Okay, I'll do it as the first part. Alright, so my rule 2 is if I have a function where y is equal to a of x, where a is what? Where a is constant. Where a is constant, then my dy dx will be equal to what? A. That is all. So, for example, if I have y is equal to 3x, then dy dx will just be 1 times 3 x to the power 1 minus 1, and that will give me 3 x to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1, so 3 times 1, that will give me what? 3. Please, anytime I use the dot, it means multiplication. Alright, okay, so that is the second part I want to look at. This side. Alright, so let me just divide this section. So I look at the third one, where I have, if I have a function where y is just equal to what? X. Y is just equal to x. So when I'm applying dy dx, I'm supposed to get what? 1. Are you okay? So this is just like this. For example, if I have y is equal to x, it means that dy dx is equal to, I'm differentiating the function x dx, which is the same thing as what? Dx over dx. Then what happened then? This can cancel this. Then I'll be left with what? 1. So that is it. Okay. Also, so this is the fourth one, right? I might even forget the number that we have. What if I have a function y is equal to a x to the power what? And first of all, let me tackle this one. A situation where I have a function, say y is equal to x to the power what? N. So it means I have dy dx to be equal to n multiplying x to the power what? n minus 1. So for example, I have y is equal to s squared dy dx, will just give me 2x. That is all. Let me take another example here. For example, if I have y is equal to s cubed, then dy dx will give me 3s squared. Then if I have y is equal to s to the power 4, then dy dx will give me what? 4s cubed, like that. So if you have a function in the form x to the power n, that's how it will go. Okay. Just here. So what if I have a function in the form y is equal to ax to the power n? So dy dx will just be n multiply a x to the power n minus 1. That's all. So let me just take an example here. For example, if I have y is equal to 3x to the power, say 4, I'll get my dy dx to be equal to 4 comes and multiply the whole function, 3x to the power 4 minus 1, and then I'll get 3x to the power 3. 4 multiply 3, I'll get to 12s cubed, like that. So 12s cubed. Okay. In the same vein, if I have a function, say y is equal to 2x to the power 5, I'll just get the derivative dy dx to be what? 5 times 2 is 10x to the power 4, like that. Okay. So that is this. Okay. I think this was the fifth one. Then the sixth one. If I have a function, say function of function. So let's say y is equal to f of x plus g of x minus h of x. So either addition or subtraction. So my dy dx will just be d dx. So if I'm differentiating 10 by 10, g of x minus d dx of what? H of x. Right. So I'm differentiating them 10 by 10. So for example, if I have y is equal to let's say s to the power 4 plus s squared minus s squared minus 6x. So my dy dx will just be d dx of s to the power 4 plus d dx of x to the power 2 plus, no, it's not plus, so minus. So I have minus d dx of 6x. Alright. And I'm going to do that derivative down there. Okay. And this one just give me 4x to the power 3. Since you now know how to differentiate, so I'm just doing it direct. Then this one give me 2x. This one just give me 6. Okay. So that is the 10 by 10 differentiation, or the addition and subtraction. So if I'm differentiating 10 by 10, that's what I'm supposed to get. Okay. So these are the first 6 rules. We will tackle the product rule and the quotient rule in the next video. So please click on the link below